Hey guys. In this video, I'm going to explore why Apple Music might take up more storage on your iPhone than Spotify, and what that actually means for you. First off, Apple Music caches way more data in the background. Spotify tends to stream on the fly, but Apple Music often saves playlists and album artwork aggressively, so even non-downloaded music can still take up room over time. Also, if you've got lossless or high-res audio enabled in Apple Music, it's going to use way more space compared to Spotify's typical 320 kilobits per second stream. Another reason, Apple Music often stores song metadata, lyrics, and album art locally, even for stuff you haven't tapped download on, so it accumulates faster than Spotify, where artwork is usually cached but managed lighter. Now, if you want to reduce storage, here's what you gotta do. Head to the Settings app, scroll to the Apps section, now scroll to Music, and tap on the Optimize Storage. On this screen, enable the Optimize Storage toggle and pick a limit. For example, you could pick 32 gigabytes, simple. That's it. You can set it to whatever fits your needs. Open the Settings app, scroll to the Apps section, now tap on the Music, and choose Audio Quality. On this screen, turn off lossless downloads. In addition, you can delete downloaded files by opening the Music app, then tap on Library at the bottom. Now click on the Downloaded section, tap on the songs, and here swipe left for the specific song, then tap the trash icon. That should help balance things out. But keep in mind, Spotify's lighter caching versus Apple Music's heavier approach is really what makes the difference. Hope that clears things up. Drop a comment if you've noticed differences and want to share your experience.